Week 21, Kari's prompts. Just going to shuffle the cards up a bit, and I'm going to work in my little journal today. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. Right, let's do the cards. So we've got that one. Let me take it down. We've got this one, and we've got this one. Oh, they near enough all look the same sort of colours. And guess what I haven't even played with yet. If you remember, I did a haul of this earlier in the year. I really wanted this Art by Marlene set. What have I used out of it? There's all the stuff that came in the set, and the little tiny art journal. Tiny, oh look, one nearly escaped then. Is there anything else in here? No. Right, so we're going to start on there. Right, this is 4. Hang on a minute, do it from the outside, I can't do it from the in. Yeah, 4 by 4. I've got some acrylic paints there, and I've got like a tub of paints I've got to be using up. So I've chosen these colours. And what's this one called? That's Carnation Pink, Mint Julep Green, Buttermilk, which is more like a pale yellow. And then I've got, I'm not even going to say that. Okay, it's a blue. It's like a navy blue. Well, just lighter. I can't pronounce all that. Anyway, we've got those for that to come out. I could have put some lace on it. Could have, didn't. Never can remember that type of stuff. I've done it now. Right, so let me see. These were the cards. Okay, they were the cards. And that's the prompt. I love it. It's beautiful. All the different arrays of colours. I think it's really nice. Let's see if I can put this light up a bit so you can see it a bit better. There we go. Love it. Let me know what you think, guys. So that rounds up for week 21. Kari's prompts. And yeah, it's been fun. If you're new to my channel or haven't seen this before and just watching for the first time, I'm doing a prompt for hashtag Kari's prompts. You can go over, join in the fun. It's easy and fun to do. All you do is follow the prompts. You can buy and download the prompt cards to use for yourself, or do the weekly prompts and join in. You don't have to do the same ones. You can do the cards as you like. The prompt cards come as a download pack. I've got some here and they're lovely, absolutely lovely, gorgeous pack of cards. So if you're interested in joining in, it's great fun. Go over and have a look. Thanks for watching, guys, again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.